A very good morning everyone. Day 3 of our stay here in Leh, and the day has finally come in which the ultimate Ladakh expedition will start. So we are starting our journey from Leh, and we'll be traveling all the way to Nubra Valley via the Khardungla Pass. The initial phase of the journey will be to Khardungla Pass, where it will be approximately 40 kilometers, but this time taken to cover these 40 kilometers will be approximately 1.5 to 2 hours because of the extreme terrain conditions. Considering the high altitude, we will be traveling from 11,500 feet to 18,000 feet. So a drop in oxygen level is obvious. That's the challenge that everyone faces. But still, we'll be trying our level best to deliver good quality videos, and let's get started. So today's route gonna be the road in which we are traveling right now. It's called the Khardungla Road. However, we'll be traversing our way through South Pulu, then the Khardungla Pass approximately at 18,000 feet, then going down the elevations through North Pulu and also a place known as Khardung. So let's head. So finally we have come to the point from which the route to Khardungla Pass will begin. This is a particular point. So from here the route to Khardungla Pass begins, and it's all high altitude roads. So just refuel the car with some desired petrol and then heading the west way to Khardungla. So some sort of roadblock is on the way to Khardungla, and currently I will showing you the kind of traffic that we're having here. Still, we have approximately 25 kilometers to Khardungla. Terrain conditions are a bit on the difficult side, but still enjoying the route. Temperature is dropping a bit. So, en route Khardungla Pass, we get a place known as South Pulu here. Still approximately 15 kilometers. We've already started the elevations. So reached South Pulu, and basically there's a checkpost here. We just need to make some entry and some sort of formalities before entering the other part. So this is basically the entry point. Just approximately 10 to 11 kilometers left to Khardungla, and here you can see the snow-covered mountains. The snow-covered mountains have started. Right now At an elevation of approximately 16,000 plus feet. Oxygen levels are dropping down, so finding it hard to speak, but location is wonderful. Just a few kilometers more to Khardungla Pass, and as you can see, snow capped everywhere. Finally arrived at mighty Khardungla, approximately 18,000 feet above the sea level. Here you can see Khardungla top. Oxygen level is kindly like lightly on the lower side, but still the amount of crowd is too much, and here it feels great, and it feels like winter time and still feels fascinating. So you can see the 13 men of 201 Engineer Regiment who lost their lives forging the mighty Khardungla. So suggested not to halt here for more than 15 minutes, as due to some kind of acute mountain syndrome that may arise, and oxygen levels are kind like on the lower side. So even if you come here, it is recommended not to halt for too much time. However, there are medical facilities here upwards where you'll be able to find people helping you out for medical support and everything. It is recommended to carry with medicines, so have a checkup before you come over here. So we have halted here for more than 20 minutes at the Khardungla top, and now we'll be navigating to the Nubra Valley. We'll be descending on lower altitudes, so that's the best part. Nevertheless, best part of our coming here is whenever you tick the check mark on Khardungla Pass, right?
So magnificent view from the mighty Khardungla top, as you can see here.
So finally on the descent now, and currently on the way to Nubra Valley. We're going down the elevation, and the altitude has somewhat decreased from what we have bought in Khardungla Pass. Building is right now very much feasible. So I'll be showing you everything on the way. Stay tuned. So after a descent of approximately 2,000 feet, currently have arrived at a place called North Pulu. The altitude of North Pulu is currently 15,300 feet. So basically you arrive at the Khardungla Pass through South Pulu, and when you cross the Khardungla Pass, you will get this particular point called as North Pulu, and here you will be getting a couple of good cafes and restaurants in which you can get some refreshments if you want from your end. And still we have approximately 45 kilometers to Nubra Valley. This is a fascinating place, and temperature is quite lower side, but the best part is right now it's getting easier to breathe. Third, the Nubra Valley, and here is some roadblocks that can be currently seen on the road. So basically they are trying to blast the big rock that is lying ahead of us. Once the blasting is done, the road will be cleared and we will be all clear to go to Nubra. Don't know about the estimate time frame, as I've asked people about the time that it will require, but they are unable to tell me the exact time frame. So I think we have to wait here for some time. Let's see. So touchdown to our second base here in Nubra Valley. Place name is Khalsar. Basically we've arrived here. It is right now 3 PM in the afternoon. We have started riding by 10 a.m. in the morning. Took some time due to some road constraints and everything, but it was a very good trip. So closing this today's vlog here itself. I'll be back again with another video. Till then, take care.